Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we have another digital SAT math a type of a question from the topic of parts of circle. Let's dive into it. Which of the following coordinates lie on circle whose equation is x squared plus y squared is 45? To solve this equation, we will need to substitute the given x and y values. The first one is the x value, the second one is the y value in the coordinate pairs. Ordered pairs. So we will just go ahead and substitute these values. So we will substitute 6 for x, 6 squared plus 3 squared. Does it give you 45? Let's check. 6 squared is 36 and 3 squared is 9. And does this give you 45? When you add 36 by 9, yes, you do get 45. Then the answer will be A for the specific question. But we can just check the other choices as well by substituting 7 for x in this case and 4 for y. Does this give you 45? Let's check. 7 squared is 49 and 4 squared is 16. And when you add them, do you get 45? No, you don't get 45. Therefore, this is not the answer. Now we're going to substitute 3 for x and 4 for the y. And we're gonna again seek for 45. 3 squared is 9 plus 4 to the power of 2 is 16. And does this give you 45? No, it does not. And let's check the last choice as well. 5 squared plus 5 squared. Does this give you 45? This is 25 plus 25, which is 50. And it does not equal to 45. Therefore, our right choice is A for the specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. See you next time. Bye-bye.